నాతో ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ మామూలుగా ఉండదు. ఒక్కొక్కడికి చూస్తారుగా.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ రెస్పాన్స్. లాస్ట్ వీడియోకి నాకు చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీ అనిపించింది. డెఫినెట్లీ నేను ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ రీచ్ అవుతానని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ ఈరోజు నేను ఒక స్పెషల్ ప్లేస్కి తీసుకెళ్తున్నాను. నాకు అక్కడ చాలా నచ్చింది. అండ్ రాబోయే వీడియో చూస్తూ మీరు కూడా చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ మీ వాల్యుబుల్ సజెషన్స్ అన్నీ నాకు ఇవ్వండి పర్సనల్గా వాట్సాప్లో కానీ, లేదంటే నాకు కమెంట్స్లో కానీ, నా మెయిల్స్లో కానీ, నా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో కానీ నేను ఆ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ని తీసుకుంటా. హలో, ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? వెల్కమ్ టు యామీ టాక్స్. ఈరోజు నేను మీకు అబుదాబి డౌన్ టౌన్లో ఉన్న ఫేమస్ పాకిస్తానీ రెస్టారెంట్ ఒకటి చూపిస్తాను. దాని పేరు మోటీ స్ట్రీట్. ఇదే ఆ రెస్టారెంట్. లెట్స్ టాక్ టు ద మేనేజ్మెంట్. అది ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, ఏంటి, అలాంటివన్నీ మనం మేనేజ్మెంట్తో మాట్లాడేసి తెలుసుకుందాం దానికోసం. Hello, I'm Kalyani. I have a channel, Yammy Talks. So I just wanted to know about your channel, your restaurant. Your good name, sir?
My name is Shafi.
Shafi. Hello, Shafi. Can you tell me about when did you started this restaurant?
This project has started 3 years back, and it is basically Indian Pakistani restaurant.
Okay.
We have very good food quality. We have cut art theme inside. Our food
Little bit loud, sir.
Our food we are making by order. We are making fresh food by order. We have very popular dishes like
Can I know what is your popular dish?
Yes, we have our barbecue is very special, very popular in
Barbecue.
market.
Okay.
Then we have reshmi kebab, handi, our Peshawari kadai.
Reshmi kebab, handi and fish.
Peshawari kadai.
Fish handi.
Yes, we have. We have Lahori fish. We have fish and chips.
Oh, you
Very
have many
nice,
dishes.
Yeah. And in grill we have a grill fish as well.
Okay.
Grill fish is also very famous.
Okay.
And then we have a chapli kebab from the street of Peshawar.
Okay. Wow, you have there are
Yes.
so many
And-
dishes. Then when did you start this restaurant?
3 years back.
3 years.
Some items from the street of Bombay as well.
Oh, you're mixing both of them. It's very good to hear that.
From the street of Peshawar.
Peshawar. Okay. Yeah, I heard about the Peshawar. And what is the meaning of this Moti Street?
What is called cube?
Cute.
Street means street.
Street. Yeah.
What is it?
From which places you are adapting these dishes from?
From different parts of
Pakistan.
India and Pakistan. We have Madrasi Handi from Madras.
Oh, good.
We have some items from
Madrasi handi
Allahabad.
as well.
Yeah.
So Madrasi people who are living in Abu Dhabi should come visit here and have their specials, especially vegetarian. Non-veg, of course, they are very special. But I have a little doubt about this vegetarian. So you guys have to come and check how their vegetarian dishes are made. So sir, now tell me what about the veg dishes you have.
We have butter paneer masala. Rice item, mutton and chicken, but they cannot because they are vegetarian, so they can enjoy.
It's enjoy vegetarian as well. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we have in barbecue as well. We have haryali. We have veg kebab.
Okay.
Then we have with paneer tikka.
Okay.
And we are planning to introduce more veg barbecue.
Veg barbecue.
Yeah.
It's been 3 years, right? Then so far, what is the best dish? You got reviews from the customers.
Yeah, we got reviews about block platter.
Platter.
Yeah, mutton, chicken, peshawari, reshmi kebab, and mostly barbecue. Yeah, barbecue is very delicious. Very popular in market. No anybody can compare.
No, when you are telling, no, my mouth is watering that when should I have that dish? Now I want to order some food. So what food you will serve us and what is your
First of all, I will serve barbecue.
barbecue?
Yeah, barbecue is very special. And then I'll go for the tawa mirchi chicken.
Tawa mirchi
Maybe I didn't explain, I forgot.
It's
But
go with
tawa
the
mirchi
what
is-
tawa mirchi chicken
yeah.
with what
It is-
roti
yes.
or rice?
The roti and with rohini naan, if you try tawa
What is that?
rohini naan.
Rohini naan. What it is made of?
Rohini is made from normal
Which one? Sure, right.
some eggs and other.
So it goes well with the dish.
Yes,
So
definitely.
definitely I have to try this dish and I'll just let you know how it's. That apart from this branch, do you have any other branches in Abu Dhabi?
No, very soon, inshallah, we are planning to open our new branch and we will give surprise to our customer.
Yeah, inshallah, yes. We are waiting. The ambience itself
Different kind
is,
of.
the ambience itself is very soothing and entering into it only we can say that it is like giving the tradition look of the restaurant.
Yes.
Falling in love with this restaurant. Actually, the appearance is very well.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, people love to.
Yeah, it's like eye soothing for me.
Yes.
Apart from dining, do you deliver?
Yes, we have deliveries. We have.
Is it to
catering.
Zomato,
Yes,
Talabat?
they
Yeah?
come. We are on Zomato as well. We have our own deliveries, more faster than other services. So if you call us directly for the delivery, that will be better.
Do you cater as well?
Yeah, we do catering. Yeah.
No,
We
you do catering.
Yeah,
That's
we
good
do
to hear.
catering
See,
for large groups, like for 200, 300, 400 people. So we do catering as well. We are doing the live barbecue as well. Yeah.
in the catering, right?
Sorry?
Live barbecue in the catering. Like
Yeah.
Any parties?
Yeah. If someone wants live barbecue, we can provide live barbecue with very good quality.
See guys, we are in Abu Dhabi downtown. Any of you in and around Abu Dhabi, if you want any catering services, they are providing these catering services and they are also providing this live barbecue. So your party will be a blast when you have this kind of restaurants providing this live barbecue and all. Meanwhile, let's see the brochure. See, the brochure itself is also so traditional like a restaurant. So tell me, how are the prices in this restaurant?
Prices are very reasonable.
Very reasonable.
Yeah, very reasonable. And the most important thing I want to share with the viewers, the food is 100% fresh. We are making 100% fresh food. By order we are making. We are not making seven like other restaurant bulk quantity and then we are serving. We are making fresh food by order. When the order comes, we are
So Sharifji is telling that they are ordering, so they are preparing the fresh food. They are not preparing the bulk and reheating and giving in the order, but they are preparing it freshly whenever the order comes to him. So this is very good to hear and it's very healthy option as well. And how your chefs are preparing? Yes. So we will go to the kitchen and watch them how they are preparing with delicious food. Right now it's not watering for me, so let's check it out. Let's see how the process is going. Come on. ఇది చికెన్ తవా మసాలా, ఇది రోహిణి రోటీ, ఇది వాళ్ళ స్పెషల్ పెషవాడి. ఇది చికెన్ తవా మసాలా విత్ బోన్లెస్ పీసెస్ అండ్ ఇది చికెన్ మలాయ్ బోటీ.
Hello.
Hello, Tuya. Yummy tops.
Let's take the reviews of the customers who are having the food. So let's check them and we will know the real review of the food. Hello sir, excuse me. Hi, how are you? Yeah, I have a channel on YouTube. So I was just shooting for this restaurant. So I just want to check the reviews of how's the food here and what is the specialties here.
The food is excellent. We are a pretty regular customers in the restaurant.
Good to hear that.
Yeah, we usually have the grill, the kebab grill, and
Reshmi kebab.
reshmi kebab. We have that.
You recommend that. So Abu Dhabi people come, let's have food here and we will know how the dishes are. So we got a review from one of the customers that they have said it's very excellent and they are the regular customers of this restaurant.
Yes, sir. How was your experience here?
Food was really delicious actually. You have to try and this is very fresh. The chicken is very soft, especially for kids. When you're coming with the kids, no, you get the zero spicy food as well. So no need to worry about the kids' food. It's very delicious.
Thank you.
And I love this rohini roti. Rohini roti is also nice.
Thank you so much. Hope to see you again.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారో నా కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో చెప్పండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అది మర్చిపోవద్దు. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోతో మళ్ళీ కలిగి. థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్.